Oh, it's killed me. That's not good. Depressing. Yeah, there's another one. Another one right there. A massive one right here, here. So bad, guys. So bad. So bad. What's up, guys? Welcome back to AutoHeads. Thanks for checking out the channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification button to get updates on when new videos are released. And if you end up liking the video, really helps me out if you hit that like button. Today we're going to do a little bit of an experiment slash install slash review of these edge guards that I got that supposedly have like a noise reducing technology built in. For all those F-150 owners out there, I'm sure you have the same problem that I've been having. We got really big doors, and if there's any kind of wind, those doors just take off. And unfortunately, they end up hitting shopping carts, and because the truck is so wide, sometimes it's tough to get out. So me personally, I have nicks all over the bottom of my doors, so these hopefully will solve that problem. But I'm really curious to see if this technology, if it actually reduces the noise inside the vehicle. So I'm gonna do a little experiment. We'll put this product to the test and we'll see if it actually does make a difference. So let's get to it. All right, so the tools we're gonna need, in the directions, it says that you need basically just a pair of scissors. So what I'm using is, I'm using an X-Acto knife to actually cut this material off. And then I'm gonna use these little pliers here, or this multi-tool, to pull these little metal tabs off. We'll zoom in here, we'll focus. You gotta pull these little metal pieces off, just so you don't get any kind of scratches when you put it at the top and bottom of the door. All right, so I made my cuts already. As you saw before in the last scene, I changed venues, so I kind of, you're not gonna really see this part, but I just took my X-Acto knife and I just made a cut, and I just measured the length of my front passenger door and my rear passenger door, and then from there I made my cuts. So I'm gonna tell you guys the exact measurements so you don't have to kind of do that process and measure and everything. So you guys should be all set for length on this. But really, you can use anything. These would work really well too. But the main thing is just try to get a clean cut as possible, and use something to pull out that metal tab so you don't have any of this metal piece hanging on. All right, so I already pre-measured these. If you're a 2016 F-150 owner, I think it'd probably be more like 2015 to 2018. These measurements should work for you. This one's gonna be 83 inches, and that's gonna be the front doors because they're a little longer. And this is gonna be 73 inches, and that's the rear door. I'm not sure if it changes for Super Crew, but that's what I have. I have a 2016 F-150 Super Crew, so hopefully that might save somebody with a similar vehicle some time. What I forgot to mention too is you guys are going to want some kind of a rubber mallet or a soft kind of rubber hammer. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to kind of just lightly, gently push these in, hammer these into the edging, the door edges. So you're going to want something that's light, just so you don't kind of overhit and put too much pressure on the door. All right, so this is how I'm going to measure the sound difference. I'm going to take the noise of this leaf blower and I'm going to put it in the exact same spot, and I'm going to record the sound of it without the edge guards first, and then I'm going to do it with the edge guards after, and see if I can pick up any kind of noise reduction with the edge guards on. I downloaded an app that's really sensitive. It gives exact decibels, so let's see if this actually makes a difference. Okay, I got everything measured and lined up, and this is going to be the test without the edge guard for noise. So I hit play, and this is just picking up background noise basically right now. And you'll see as soon as we power up the blower, it's going to jump up to the 45 range, and it peaked at 48.8. So this is the number we have for without the edge guard. Back to the install. All right, so we made our cuts. Before we actually start putting the edge guard on the door, I got a nice fresh towel here, but I put some Windex on it. So we're gonna just clean up this edge so there's nothing in between the edge guard and the door itself. All right, so before we start putting on the edge guards, just wanted to show you, this is why I think this is actually gonna make a difference. If you look right here, this is already built-in weatherproofing that Ford put in. And it has that foamy cylinder here, which is virtually identical to this. And that is what hopefully is gonna give it another layer of sound reducing foam here, or whatever this is. It's kind of like a rubberized material. So now we're gonna have this and this. That's gonna hopefully make this nice and sealed up and give it that kind of luxury, tucked in, sealed in Mercedes kind of vibe with the soundproofing. All right, so we're good up until about right here. So we're gonna start here and then just start lightly tapping, and we'll put this guard in. Now, a little tip, I can actually hear it when I'm hitting, when I actually have it pushed in as far as it can go, the hammer actually sounds a little different. You can hear it right here, watch. Where it gets that kind of like that dingy noise. That's how you know you got a nice tight seal or fitment. So this one's in. I just got approval from my wife. She actually thinks it looks kind of cool. It kind of breaks up the truck. It makes it look a little chunkier. The look isn't for everybody. I don't know. It's up to you. I actually don't mind it at all. I think it looks pretty cool. But you can see we got a nice seal and closes really nice. I don't think it looks bad. I don't know, what do you guys think? Leave a message in the comments. Do you mind the look? Do you think it looks good, bad? I'm actually kind of a fan of it. So let's do the next door and we'll finish it off. All right, same thing on this door, obviously. Little Windex, little rag. Clean all this up real nice. My door is not too bad right now, but I want to make sure it's nice and clean before I put that edge guard on. All right, same story. We're gonna start right here where this weatherproofing ends and go all the way around. Have you guys noticed those metal clips? That's what allows that nice smooth edge. Like, I didn't even tap this in yet and it is locked down, which is nice. Not all these brands have those metal kind of clips in. It gives it a really nice tight fitment. Same process obviously on the other side, and that should be it.
All right, we're all installed, and let's actually test out these edge guards and see if they do in fact reduce the noise. So we're inside the vehicle. We just got the background noise right now, and we're gonna power up the blower. Boom, hits 40.7, 42, 43, 41, and we're at 43.3.
All right, so with the edge guards, we have a max decibel reading of 43.3. So there is a difference. It does make a difference. And you know, I assume there would be some kind of a difference. There's just more material between the door and the inside of the vehicle now. So it makes sense. Is it a huge, massive difference? No, but you are gonna notice it. You know, it's, that's why those are expensive Mercedes and BMW. If you take a look at those doors, they are just all sealed up. There's weatherproofing everywhere. So, you know, if you want to kind of make your ride a little quieter on your F-150 and also get that nice protection that these edge guards give you, you know, it's definitely a nice buy. I recommend getting it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this product. For me, as you could see before, I got chips all over my door and it was really bothering me, and I didn't want it to get worse. So for me, and it's not just the noise reduction, it was the biggest thing for me was just the edge guard itself. It's gonna be really nice to be able to open a door and you know, not worry about putting a big chip in my door, or worse, somebody else's door where I'm gonna have to, you know, pay them some money to get their door fixed. So it's a really nice product. Check them out. Winunite, they're on Amazon. I got the link in the description. As always, guys, thanks for checking out the video today. Please subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Take care and see you next time.